What's going on, everybody? Ercan with Suds to Success podcast, back again with another quick tip video. Today we're going over interior detailing, how to do the wipe down faster, how to do it efficiently, and get that car in and out of your shop with the best results possible. We went over the carpets in the last video. We went over the seats, and whether they're leather or cloth, in a separate video. Those can be found on our YouTube channel. Pair it up with this. This is what I do in my business. It doesn't have to be what you do. Just take some things that you like, implement them, and see if you get faster and more efficient. Let's switch up the angle, get you a closer look at my process and what I believe is one of the most efficient ways. I could be wrong, I'm still learning. All right, so this is the door really quickly to go over it. As you can see, she's dirty. Let's get her cleaned up, making her look good. That is what a lot of detailers struggle on. I'm gonna show you what our process is and kind of the expectation we set. And let's get right into it. Before we start, we need a few things. I got Express Interior and an unlabeled bottle. Shout out to Andrew for that. Diluted 1 to 10, I believe. And we got Scrub Ninja, and we got a detail brush, of course. We got 2 towels. One is dampened with some rinseless, and one is dry, of course, brand new. And we got a pistol grip air compressor attachment. I have the air compressor set down about 40 to 45 PSI, more than enough that you need. Let's get this headlamp dialed in real quick. All right, so what I like to do, I don't go spraying everything and soaking everything. So I'm gonna do a few spritz into the detail brush. And I always start off with the crevices, personal opinion. All right, let me set this down. I like to take these plastic rubber things out, if I can get them out. Oh, perfect. Got it out. Could have used pick or the air compressor, but you know me by now. Scrub it in there. Oh, I didn't even put enough to do all the crevices. Open the door handle, get in there. Take this rubber piece out, and I always set them inside on the passenger or the seat that I'm doing. Get all these crevices done. Okay, then we grab our Scrub Ninja. Go to town with it. If you don't have a Scrub Ninja, honestly, you're slacking, because this is honestly my favorite tool. Paired with an interior cleaner, it literally eats through anything. Dirt, body oils, you name it, it's there. Don't forget to do the trim on the outside of the door, on the bottom. That is an area where detailers miss. You can see, I don't know if you can get this on camera, but that's body oils basically melting. We're just gonna go and take it off. So I can see some of the body oils are coming back here, so I'm gonna add a little bit more and give it a quick agitation. Perfect. So we're done the wipe down. This is what I do. Grab the towel. Well, you can see the one side that I used earlier. Dirty. Okay, then I grab my air compressor. Always be careful. If you see damage on the car, be careful of the air compressor. Whether either don't use it or set it down really, really low to knock out all everything else. Hopefully you can't hear the air compressor in the background, but what I like to do, one spray just to kind of re-clean it as well as I do this. Might need a little bit more. You can see a lot of the dirt pops up, so that's why I usually do one more spray. And that's it. I'll give it a quick dust off because our shop is really dusty right now. And there you have it. Alrighty everybody, that is how it turned out. The door handle's all clean. Switches look good. That pocket looks good. All the leather got no body oil on it. Come down here, there is some minor damage, not damage, but wear, I guess you could say, from water bottle. You can kind of see it right up here and right down here. It does look like it at first that it's just dirt, but when you feel it, it is rough. And then I want to touch base right here. It looks pretty good, even in the before. You could tell there was dressing on it. And, you know, after we detail and we take the dressing off, which, you know, detailers do, is some things you'll run into steamer damage that was there before and you have no way to explain it to the customer that, yeah, it was a dressing. So be sure and look out for that. You could cover it up. You could put some dressing on a detail brush and cover it up if that's how you want to run your business. All right, now I'm going to show you the steering wheel. Let's get this light dialed in. There we go. So what I'm going to do first, detail brush again, spray right into the brush, start agitating. Now with these Mazdas, they got a lot of cracks and crevices, so might take you a minute, but you'll get there. Then we have our Scrub Ninja. Okay, then again, we'll grab our clean towel. And we'll go with our air compressor. All right, I usually have my detailing cart with me, but everything's just thrown on me for the sake of the video. We got the steering wheel looking pristine, no body oils. You can even feel the grip you have on here. It's leather, not body oils. And we got the cracks and crevices all cleaned up, even the shine. Ooh, look at that. We got the cracks and crevices all cleaned up. It feels amazing. That you've got the idea. The scrub pad is for larger areas. Down here, dashboards, the running boards or the things on the footwell, big plastic pieces in the trunk. The detail brush, do it for details, little minor details. I don't use this on every vehicle. If it's a maintenance vehicle, you could grab, let's say, a rinseless stamp and towel. And for example, we're gonna do the vents. Obviously this is dry. I would go like this and just blow it over. Give it a quick thing, grab a dry towel, wipe it off, and you're pretty much set to go. Same thing for vents. If you're doing the cup holders, Take your time. The cup holders are usually the area where people are, more picky at, just because, they put their coffee there in the morning, they put their phone in the cup holder, whatever they want to do. They're going to look at probably this first and the steering wheel. I think those are the two most important parts on an interior, the steering wheel and the center console. And that is how we detail an interior efficiently and get it up to our standard. We got the scrub pad / scrub ninja for all the larger plastic, leather, vinyl, whatever it is. The detail brush, is for cracks and crevices only. Don't do the entire car with it. One thing I want to touch base on really quickly. The speaker damage from a steamer is unfortunate, but it happens all the time, is someone else covers up a problem and now it's yours to deal with. What I would do in that scenario, text up the customer, say, hey, car's looking great, we ran into a little bit of an issue, here's a photo of it, what would you like us to do? Cover it up? Or 2, just leave it, doesn't bother them, and they probably already knew it was there. That's what I would do in my business. If you want to cover it up and call it a day, that is completely up to you. If you like this quick tip video, like it and subscribe, and comment down below. Any of these processes help you out? Are you looking to implement any of these? And am I doing it all wrong? Leave it in the comments below, and we'll see you on next week. Thank you very much. Take care, everybody.